Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Realme 12x. Begin by opening Play Store on both devices and getting free app code Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Now choose the same options in both to set them up. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Confirm. Continue. And allow. In this window though, about new updates, hit Not Now or close it right away by hitting OK. Then tap on your device's displays and select Send at the bottom left corner of an Android. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of Realme. Also on an Android, using all of those categories at the top, select multiple files to transfer. I will go with only a couple though, just for example. Then hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Choose Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way will be better for you. If you want to connect by inputting this key, hit Input Key section, type in all of those numbers and hit Receive. To scan the QR code though, use scanning icon above User Guide. Close an ad. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. Then wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!